In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide out-of-stock products in WooCommerce. If you want to keep your online store looking clean and avoid showing customers products they can't currently buy, WooCommerce makes this very easy to set up. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on, so out-of-stock items are hidden from your store catalog. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website, products, and store settings. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand menu where all of your store management options are listed. From there, navigate to WooCommerce and then click Settings. This opens the main WooCommerce settings panel where you can control different parts of your store, including payments, shipping, products, and inventory behavior. At the top of the settings page, click on the Products tab. This section contains the options related specifically to how products behave and appear in your store. After that, select the Inventory sublink. The inventory area is where WooCommerce lets you manage stock-related settings, including how stock status is displayed to customers. Once you're in the inventory settings, scroll down until you reach the Stock Display Format section. In this area, look for the Out of Stock Visibility checkbox. This setting controls whether products that are out of stock should still appear in your shop and catalog pages. To hide those unavailable items, check the box labeled Hide Out of Stock Items from the catalog. Enabling this option means customers browsing your store won't see products that are currently sold out in the main catalog view. This can help reduce confusion and create a smoother shopping experience, especially if you want to focus attention on items that are actually available for purchase. After checking the box, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is an important final step because your update won't take effect until the new setting is saved. Once the changes are saved, WooCommerce will automatically hide out-of-stock items from your catalog going forward. If you don't see the change right away on the front end of your store, it may help to refresh the page or clear any caching your site is using. And that's it. That's how to hide out-of-stock products in WooCommerce quickly and easily from the inventory settings inside your WordPress dashboard.